Swingful week for silver where we have seen it moving close to 2940, 2950 zone and the highs at 31. Yes, it is yet to break beyond the critical milestone at 31.5. Can we say that coming week is going to be one such bullish week where it is going to break beyond 31.5 and 32 zone? Or this is a reversal sign here where the prices are going to now break towards 29 or in fact 28 levels. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading silver in the coming week? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review. I do share my twice a day updates for gold and silver, and in fact the gold's weekly review is already released. You can watch that as well. Now for silver, I share twice a day updates with precise targets so that you can profit throughout the day. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first. Let's have a look at the weekly charts and see towards the end of this update. I'll be sharing the trading levels. So do watch till now. Look at the weekly charts here. What's happening in silver? I have shared this earlier as well. See, it is delivering higher lows and higher highs. Every time it has come towards this zone, it has bounced back. Now, this is the bottom of the channel from which it is reversing. Second thing, it has formed a support at the 50 weeks average, that is at 2880 levels. Now, these are the two levels which you should watch out for. And see, once you look at what has happened in the last few, see, it has formed a reversal and again it has formed a support and shown a reversal. Now, first bullish candle and a swing candle. Now, I have mentioned last week, first critical resistance for silver is going to be at 3050, 3060, and then I have mentioned it will definitely move towards 31. See, 31 is done, 3050, 3060 is done. Now, what to expect? Can we expect it to break 31 and move towards 3150? Now, see what's happening. It is closed at a doji and at a critical support zone. Now, this could also be the reversal here, but what we can see here is preceding few candles are green, and ideally after this reversal, this is one bullish candle, this is a swing candle, it has created the step, the next one could be further big. There is a possibility to it to happen, but when you connect the dots here, you can find out also. See, this is how it has been trading. Lower highs, lower lows means a possibility of a move towards 3180 is there, and if it breaks beyond 32, we are looking forward to a breakout move which is going to be pretty strong. Now, moving averages on the weekly charts are running parallel. It has started to converge but not yet crossed over. When you look at the stochastic on the weekly charts, it has formed a double bottom and it is looking, which suggests that the chances are high that possibly silver prices may trend to move towards 3150, 3180 levels. But yes, 31 it needs to break, because we have seen a stronger resistance at 31 coming into picture last week, when despite all the bullishness, it has shied away from breaking beyond 31. Look at the stochastic MACD on the weekly charts. After forming a strong double top, it is dropped sharp. Now it is trying to converge. Now see, it is possible that higher lows and higher highs, it can bounce back from these levels and move towards high. So if it crosses over here, this could mark the beginning of reversal. But what I am looking at, after the drop, retracement, and now if it crosses over here, this can bring enormous bearishness for next multiple weeks here. Let's see which direction it takes here. Now, on the downside, 2880 and 28 are the two key levels which silver need to break, because below this, chances will be very, very high that silver is going to move towards 26 or 25. But right now, I will say in the coming week, I think the bears are still not that, I can say bears are still not that proactive in taking it below 28 or $29 levels. RSI trying to bounce back here. Let's have a look at the day. On the daily charts, what has happened, I have mentioned this double bottom 2880. Now this is under retracement. I have discussed this in my daily updates, higher lows and higher highs, and see, hitting the highs here, it has reversed. Now see, also it is seen taking the support from the 20 days average, and also respecting the channel. What has happened here? See, the same formation, rise and then a sharp drop has appeared, rise then a sharp drop has appeared. Now it is very, very crucial for silver to trade below 2950, 2940 zone. Only and only if these two levels are taken, we can say now the bears are back in silver. In fact, 3020, 30, 2975, 2950, 40, these are the milestones which silver need to break, because once it breaks below 2940, I will be looking at 29 20, 29, 2880. See, 2880, very, very good support. Below 2880 is where we are looking forward to a greater correction towards 28. Also notice what silver is doing is trading in this channel, drop retracement, drop retracement. This time it has breached the channel, but again falling back here. I'll be definitely cautious till towards 31. Any move beyond 31 is a clear sign of reversal. Stochastic rising, the MACD, after forming double bottom, it is divergent, bullish, and it can hit the top here. Yes, it has formed double bottom. It can aspire to achieve the highs here. The RSI right now is looking downwards on the daily charts. Coming to the monthly, now on the monthly charts, one important observation here is the rise, the retracement. Now see the rise here, since then, after this, it has breached the trend and see first rise, then consolidation and a retracement, second rise and a consolidation and a retracement. My only submission here is that it has taken this support here. Now this is the support which it needs to break, and once it breaks below this support, we are looking forward to a third bearish candle. Else, what is happening here? You can see none of the candles close below 28 $29 levels, and thus it is very important on a monthly basis for these candles to close below 28 80 29. Below this, you are looking forward for prices to move towards 27.50 27, and in fact lower levels. So these are very crucial. Now second thing here is look at the lower highs here. Now the highs are done. We are almost half past the, or we are almost past the middle of the month here, and still we have a couple of weeks for it to retrace or reverse completely. Yes, this is silver. If it starts to reverse, it can show you an extremely stronger dip here. So I'll definitely watch out how it behaves in the coming week, and specifically beyond 31.50 31 and 31.50. I think the looking back, the reversal will be difficult, and you can just stay bullish for 31.80 at least, and beyond that, in fact 32.50 should be seen. Stochastic right now on the monthly charts is looking downwards. The MACD, if you look at the MACD, has seen a good rise for multiple months, and now it is trying to show signs of convergence. It is not yet crossed over, and it is not that it cannot achieve further highs. Yes, it can achieve further highs. Still, there is a scope for further rise. RSI has dropped, and it is now looking. Now the near term chart says that see, every rise follows with a good retracement, and if you connect even these highs and the lows, it suggests that silver in the near future has to move towards 25-26 zone, which should be the greatest support here on the downside. So let's watch out if silver gives you a breakout this month. Now coming to the 4 hour, what's happening in 4 hour charts? Similar to what we had seen on the daily charts. Connect the dots here, you will find it is still respecting this channel. Very important for silver to first trade below 30, then 29.80 75, then 29.50 40. If you see silver trading below this, you can just stay short for 29 and 28.80. If 28.80 is taken, I think there is no point staying bullish here in silver. See, it has breached this channel for a brief while, and it is now again falling back within the zone. So now again in the coming week, it is very important for silver to trade for above 31. That is the only level beyond which you should treat this as bullish. This is very clear here. Look at the stochastic, this has hit the bottom. Look at the MACD, this is crossed over, trading with little divergence, trading slightly bearish, looking downwards. RSI has dropped now, trying to bounce back. So now we have seen the charts, we've seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels in a strategy. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First, let's talk about the levels to buy. Only level to buy here is at 30-50, 30-60 zone. And then above this, chances will be very high that we may see 30-85 and 31 as the next targets here. This is going to be the prime resistance. Beyond this, I will be looking forward to 31.40 50 as the next targets, 31.72 75 as the next targets, and if this is taken, stay bullish for 32. Now 32, if it breaks, I think there is no looking back here. Breaking beyond 32, I think we are looking forward to 32 32 and 32.55 levels. The next resistance, the strongest one on the upside. Beyond that, 33 is a must, and after 33, I think sky is the limit. Though I do not see that happening in silver, but yes, we have seen the gains in silver. When it starts to move, it delivers the gain in one single day, and when it starts to deliver 6-7% a day, is also cannot be denied here. And thus only bullishness is now beyond this zone, first at 31.40 50, then 31. These are going to be very key and very strong resistance levels on the upside. On the down, I will only recommend you to sell here at 30, 15, 30 zone, which should be an extremely strong support zone. And then also, even if you say it is getting the support, so if it breaks below 30, you can still expect the support levels to be very, very nearby. First at 29.75, then 29.50 and 40. These are going to remain the prime support here. Only and only if it breaks below this, the next support levels are towards 29 and then 28.80 levels. Any break, any drop below 28.80 is the sign that you can say now the bears are back. Now you're looking forward to a drop, and how far, how low. If it stays below 28.80, I will be looking forward to 28.45, 28.00. Yes, below 28 is also possible. We are looking forward to 27.50, 27.20, and in fact 26.80 levels here. Below this, a stronger crash in not only in this month but also the coming month, we may remain bearish. We can expect it to move towards 26, $25 levels very, very soon. But right now I can say, do not treat silver as bearish. It is still got little bullish momentum. As long as it stays above 28.80 in the near term, chances are high that we may see 31.50, 31.80, or in fact $32 levels at least. Take your trades, take your positions. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the twice a day updates. It will give you a fair bit of idea on how to profit trading silver every day. Thank you. See you again on Monday. Have a happy weekend. Thank you.